Hi everyone, welcome to Junoon. My name is Bhanvi and today we are going to talk about the SOPs for a cooking assistant. First, let us understand who a cooking assistant is. A cooking assistant is someone who provides support to the head chef. He or she works under the direct supervision of an executive chef. Now let us look at the different duties of a cooking assistant. First, food plating and presentation. Second, recipes and menu planning. Third, sanitization guidelines. And fourth, kitchen equipment and operation maintenance. Let us have a quick look at the job titles a cooking assistant can have. First, cook. Second, prep cook. Third, assistant chef. And fourth, kitchen worker. Let us now look at the different job responsibilities of a cooking assistant. First, work with the cook to do preparation as and when needed. Second, prepare basic ingredients of each dish on the menu following the guidelines. Third, memorize and use appropriate cutlery and all basic procedures used in the kitchen. Fourth, ensure that the kitchen and other food preparation areas meet the defined standards. And fifth, monitor food freshness and rotate out all old materials based on the schedule. Let's talk about the checklist and best practices for a cooking assistant. First, turn on the required basic utilities, for example, lights, ventilators, etc. Second, preheat the required kitchen equipment. Third, ensure that the kitchen is clean before and after the shift. Fourth, ensure that no perishable item is left behind while closing the kitchen. Fifth, lock the cabinets properly and keep the keys safely with you. Sixth, take photos of compliant and non-compliant items. Seventh, assign corrective measures whenever you come across a non-compliant activity. Eighth, create daily and monthly reports and keep them safe with you. And ninth, you can take notes or take comments for any dish as per your own requirement. Let us now look at the different tools and technologies required by a cooking assistant. First, a non-stick frying pan. A pan with non-stick coating which avoids sticking of any material. Second, a sheet pan. A flat rectangular metal pan used in ovens. Third, saucepan, a deep pan with long handle which is used to prepare sauces and it has got an enamel coating. Fourth, knives, an instrument with a sharp metal blade used for cutting. Fifth, measuring spoons. Spoons of different sizes used to measure quantities of different ingredients to be used in cooking. Sixth, measuring cups. Cups used to measure quantities of the liquids to be used in cooking. Seventh, wooden spoons. Spoons made of wood used to stir sauces and mix the ingredients. Eighth, tongs. A tool used to grip and lift the cooking materials in fire. Ninth, peelers. A tool used to peel off the skin from fruits, vegetables and other food ingredients. And last one, a cutting board. Very essential. A board which is used to cut fruits, vegetables and different food ingredients. Do's and don'ts for a cooking assistant. Do's. Do ensure that the handles of your pots and pans are turned inwards. Second, do ensure that you are following the guidelines laid down by the chef. Third, do wear safe clothing. Fourth, do ensure that you are washing your hands at regular intervals. And fifth, do stir and lift the lid away from you. You definitely want to keep yourself and others safe while in the kitchen. Don'ts. The first one, don't wear baggy clothing. Second, don't use metal utensils on non-stick or Teflon pans. Third, don't stuff your fridge with too much of food or ingredients. Fourth, don't set a hot glass dish on a wet or a cold surface. And the last one, don't use the same cutting board for cutting fruits, vegetables and raw meat. Please don't. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed watching the video and learnt a lot from it.